So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can see in my hands today, I have got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, where the screen became like this by itself. So half of the screen on the right hand side and next to the camera bar is like this. There's a green tint on the right hand side, and this was not done due to physical damage or maybe a fall or drop or anything like that. This just happened by itself. So I was just watching Netflix and it just occurred all of a sudden. The software that I'm on is currently I'm on the August security patch. I had updated this on August 15, but I got the issue on September 15. So after 1 month from the update, I got the issue. I'm not sure what's the cause, and many people are also having this issue, but obviously I have found a temporary fix for this. This is not a permanent fix, but this is just a temporary fix and it seems to work just fine. The temporary fix is that currently we are using our device in 120 Hz, which is the adaptive refresh rate. So to solve this, we have to switch to the standard refresh rate, which is 60 Hz. So from settings, you want to simply go to this option called display, and once you go to display, here you can see motion smoothness. Just tap on it and just select standard. Once you hit the apply button, now you can see instantly that has disappeared, but it is still visible. If you see on your lock screen, whenever you're turning off or turning on, you can see right over there. And I don't know how long this fix is going to last, but I just found a store where they said that they can fix this issue even without replacing the display. So my phone is already out of warranty. I did call the service center. They said they cannot do anything in this, but I did find a store, and I will let you know if that store will be able to fix it, so that you can also find how you can do it. So they said that I don't have to replace the display for this. It might be able to solve it, but till then, until you find a proper solution, just wait. Do not change the display for now, because there could be lots of fixes in the future for this. I've just set this to standard for now, where I just tap on apply. Only in the adaptive section you can see the issue is occurring, but for now I'll just select standard and just do things with it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.